My name is Adrian Minor. Some of you may know me as the Wave Machine. And then right over here, I got my man, Moonwalker. Now, introduce yourself.
AKA Keith Jones, Moonwalker. How you doing?
All right, and then today we're gonna show y'all how we break it down. So, you wanna go first? Right. I'm gonna go first. All right, I'm gonna teach y'all how to do the wave. So how you do the wave is, you extend your arm right here. You get four fingers down, wrist down, elbow, like that, and then your shoulder and down. And then here you do it again. You get your shoulder, elbow, wrist, fist, finger, and down. And then it should look like this. Don't do it all fast now. But once you get it down, you'll be able to do with both arms. And same thing, four fingers, wrist, elbow, shoulder, elbow, wrist, fist, four fingers down. So like this. Yeah. And then my man Moonwalker will show you his thing.
So, I am Moonwalker. Might as know me as Keith Jones. Good kid. Like to be kind. I like to draw. But let's not get into that. I want to show you how to moonwalk. So, what you want to do while you're moonwalking is you want to lift your heel up. So, lift your heel up and slide the other foot. Right? And then repeat that process with the other foot. Then, when we're done with that, I'm going to show you how to do the face expressions. Face expressions are the grin, being mad, or the wow, or you can call it whatever you want. So, there's this. There's a wow. And there's a whatever you want. There's a. So, as you're doing it, make sure to make your face like a little bit more tight while you're doing it. So like, you know, so when you're looking at the the fans, you have to give them that angry look, you know, spin, and move on. Then you could keep doing that. So I'm gonna show you how to do this move now. Now, what you want to do is put your heel up, put your other heel, slide right here, just keep doing that. And that's how you do the moonwalker.
Alright, now I'm going to show you guys how to do the tut. Egyptian, it's like Egyptian legs, but alright, so for this one, you can do whatever arm. So you're going to have your arm like this. And just like how you do Egypt's, you're going like this. You see how your elbow and your arm, your hand like this, like, you know, Egyptian. Either way. And then, yeah, that's how you do the tut. You can do it in any way you want. You can be creative. Oh, yeah, I did it, bro. But yeah, and that's how you do tut. Alright. Go on more.
Then I want to show you how you do the kick. Kick. Michael, if you look at Michael's interview, he has a really long leg. So when you're kicking, you need you to go like this. Your feet, you shoot like this. You know? So go. So while you're doing it, put your feet like that, shoot, and do your own thing.
Alright. Now, we're gonna show you guys our real cool routine that we did together. You guys ready?
Many have seen it, but we're gonna show it to you again.
Here we go. All right. Well, this would be good if we had. You would.
It would be
So
good.
you want Break music on?
Yeah, cause we're about to
Yeah.
show our routine that we did together outside.
Okay. So you're down with the. Oh, sorry.